Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Lots of numbers coming out after the close here. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials closed up 52 at 22,016.24. NASDAQ, flat. S&P's, folks, up $1.50. Gold contract down $6.30, trading at $12.73 an ounce. Silver down 18 cents, $16.57 an ounce. Platinum flat at $9.47 an ounce. Copper $2.88 a pound. Light sweet crude up 37 cents, $49.53 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note flat 126.03. 30-year bond up 4 ticks, 154.05. King dollar down 151 ticks, 92.750. The euro is at 118.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 110.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We are 247.42. Bottom line, you're right at the highs of Monday. Now, you got over them and you closed underneath them, so that is a failure. So it's about as close as you can get, meaning we got to 247.60. You closed at 247.42. You needed 247.48. You needed 65 million. We'll see where it shakes. The SPY looks to me like it wants to go to 248, which is the high of the 27th. Dow Industrials. Dow closed at another all-time high out here. Dow Industrials got a high going of 22,036. You closed at 22,016. The composite. Now, NASDAQ composite, NDX 100, you definitely have a failure. NDX. We get to a price point of 63.94. You close out at 63.62. And, okay, now the composite. This is where the difference is. The composite is still over the 9th of June, and that's where that basically, that was the high we took out. That being said, if we go over to the QQQs and the NDX 100, I believe it's going to be just a little bit different. Look, okay, check it out. No, they closed over it. Okay, so the Qs closed at 143.95. Your high on Monday was 144.43. We had volume of 33 million. Well, you did 40 million. So bottom line, you can get higher. We closed over the high of the 9th of June, which is 143.90. We closed at 143.95. And they got it in right at the close here. So this is going to be interesting to see where this shakes out, because what you do have after the close, we have so many equities coming out with numbers, and right now we are trading underneath that again. We closed at 143.95. You're at 143.86. Have to love it. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold? So that's a failure, folks, by the way. Gold contract, what do you have out here? Down 680. You had a price spread today of 12.68 to 12.79. Bottom line, looks to me like gold wants to pull back somewhere into this 12.62 area. And that would, as long as we pull back there on light volume, your next expansion up, I suspect we'll take it up to the 1305, 1307, and more than likely we'll take it over it. Silver. We take a look at the silver contract, what we have with silver. Same type of setup in silver. Silver actually is a little clearer that it wants to back down. And I suspect when we get to the dollar index, I'll show you what I'm looking at here. Silver got to a price point today of $16.96. You closed at $16.57. We had 76,000 contracts traded. That level right there was going over the swing of the 29th of June, and it failed. So that's saying that silver can back down somewhere into the 1639 area. We are going to be having a lot of the gold and silver equities coming out with numbers tonight. Bonds. Bonds out here, they still want higher price. It's pretty amazing, actually. The 10-year down 4 ticks was really a sideways move. He did 1.2 million contracts. That baby looks like it wants to go to the 127 area. 30-year, same type of setup. Let's get over to good old King Dollar. So King Dollar, folks, bottom line, has no love, all of the above. Been trying to make a bottom for about a week and a half now. And each and every time it tries to make it, fails. We'll see whether that if this is it. You know, the volume has been contracting dramatically. Right now, today we got down to 92,390. You're at 92,760 right now, and we'll see whether that thing can get a bounce. My take is that this thing's going to bounce somewhere into the 95 area. Now, I don't know. I don't know what wants to make it bounce, of course, but buying would make it bounce. It has to do with the aspect that you went from 103 down to 93. You're fast, you're furious, and I still don't like how. Well, I like how the gold and silvers are trading because they traded off the bottom. They traded really nice. The aspect is how they're coming into their swings and how the expansion hasn't been faster and better, and that's what I'd be looking for. After the close out here, if we take a look at the Cirrus Logic first, Cirrus Logic closed at $63.37. This is trading at $61.70 right now. Numbers that they're looking at, let's see what they're saying. So the estimate was 66 cents. They made good money. They made 81 cents. I guess they want to see more. The revenue estimate was 320 million. They did make the 320. We go take a look at Fitbit. Fitbit, it looks like it's going to at least save itself. Fitbit closed at, let's see, Fitbit closed at $5. It's trading $5.54. So that's trading up 50 cents. Fitbit, the estimate was a loss of 15 cents. They only lost 8. So they're getting it little by little. Revenue estimate was 341 million. They made 353. So they're taking in some money. There's no two ways about that. Let's see. Has Tesla come out yet? Let's see. Tesla closed at 325. That's trading up $10. That's trading at 336. And let's see what Tesla has to say. So Tesla, they're expecting a share loss of 188. They're losing 133. Cash burn, though, big time. But bottom line, it's higher. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 52. NASDAQ was flat. S&P's up 1. We're going to be right back.
If you're an active trader looking for that extra edge when it comes to trading and investments, then now is a great time to get a 2-week free trial to Tom O'Brien's daily market letter, Market Insights. Tom O'Brien's daily newsletter, Market Insights, comes out every market day at around 9:30 a.m. and provides Tom's daily commentary on the broad market, including the Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P, plus specific trade recommendations. There's even an update published most afternoons to keep you informed about the day's market activity. He'll give you the entry price, price target, and stop price of each stock and option trade. With Market Insights, there's nothing left to guessing. For all the details and to get your 2-week free trial to Market Insights started today, visit TFNN.com.
Has the current market volatility continued to stop you out of trades when the market spikes against you? Now is the perfect time to open up an account with Nadex. Nadex, the North American Derivatives Exchange, is a brand new, completely regulated Chicago-based exchange, and unlike most other exchanges, Nadex allows you to trade directly through them with direct market access when using their completely free trading platform, which also features real-time charts and full customization capability. One of the advantages of trading with Nadex in volatile markets is that your risk is always capped and you have the ability of keeping your trades open even when the market spikes against you. Nadex is completely brand new with a line of unique trading products that are unavailable anywhere else. See how it works at nadex.com. That's NADEX.com. Or click on the Nadex banner on the front page of TFNN.com. Futures and options trading involves risk and may not be appropriate for all investors. Will interest rates continue to rise? For bold trades on U.S. Treasuries, now may be time to take a closer look. Trade TMF or TMV. Directions Daily 20-plus year bull and bear 3 times ETFs. Direction leveraged ETFs. An investor should carefully consider a fund's investment objective, risks, charges, and expenses before investing. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus contain this and other information about Direction shares. To obtain a fund's prospectus and summary prospectus, call 866-476-7523 or visit directioninvestments.com. A fund's prospectus and summary prospectus should be read carefully before investing. An investment in the funds is subject to risk, including the possible loss of principal. The funds are designed to be utilized only by sophisticated investors such as traders and active investors. Distributor Foreside Fund Services, LLC.